Hello traders, today is the 19th of September 2010 and happy Sunday to you all. Good morning, bonjour, bonsoir, good morning to all our friends, good afternoon wherever you are in the world. Okay, good evening for those who are in the evening period now, directly from the headquarters of the TSTW 24 trading systems. We wish you a very happy weekend. Today we want to talk to you about how to smart trade in the uptrend. Okay, how to smart trade in the uptrend. When we are talking about smart trading, people think that it's those people with double size brain people making their decision. But it's just a simple way to remember when we're talking about smart traders. The smart traders are people who always try to buy when the price is very, very cheap, and then it's been a bot, okay, and they find a excellent support. Those are the people they want to buy very, very cheap. They think of it like people who mean a lot. They don't want to spend their money anyhow, anytime. They weigh carefully that is truly, truly cheap. They will check that the quality is excellent and that the price is good. That's what they're doing. They look for excellent quality at a very, very reasonable price. That's what we call smart trading. Simple. Okay, that's what they're doing. So as you can see on this day, on the 14th of September 2010, when I'm rotating my cursor here, this is the 14th. Okay, and we know that this pound dollar currency pair is in an uptrend, as you can see here. Okay, and the uptrend has started here. Okay, and the price went from this level here all the way up here, and the next day people bought it here. Why they bought it here? And the price went to create a new high here. Okay, now look carefully here. To smart trade, you may use the Fibonacci tool. Okay, so the price went from here. We're going to draw the line. It went from here. Where it start from? That's where it start from. Okay, it went all the way here. That's on the 14th. It went from this level to this level. As a smart money, where do you want to buy? You want to buy the best place to buy, which does not happen very often, which the smart money sometimes like to create. Pay attention. If the price come all the way to the low of the previous day, which is right here where I'm rotating my cursor, came all the way here and come again to create a new low, which usually you will see on your chart a double bottom pattern. Have you ever heard about double bottom pattern? That's where the cheap value is, because the price went all the way up, retraced back exactly 100% to the same level, which means something that is excellent quality. Okay, you are buying it almost at zero price, which means it retraces back. All those people who bought it at 15587 see it retracing back all the way to this zone of 15402. You know that this is a quality, a certified quality. You know this is Armani, no doubt about it, coming directly hot from Armani shop. Now you know that this is not stolen gold, it's a true value at a reasonable price. What do? You buy fast before the seller change their mind. That's why the smart traders are doing. This is the best place to buy if you are smart trader. The price came back all the way and break the low of the previous day and found a valid support, and the trend line is broken to the upside, creating a double bottom pattern. Excellent place. But it does not happen all the time. It does not happen all the time. When we are talking like this, we are talking about from 60-minute chart, hourly chart, 4 hour chart, daily chart on. We are not talking about lower time frame for those market noise. Okay, so you draw your Fibonacci line like this, and you see that something that's supposed to go up retrace back to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. It become cheap, which means something that is 15587, now they are selling it. This is here. Yeah, somebody selling here at 60% discount. Okay, it's the sale period. It's like a sale period, Christmas time, Easter time. Suddenly it's become too cheap. That's why people bought it here. You wait for your trend line to be broken, and then right here you see trend line broken. Excellent. Free trend line. Okay, broken. Nice one. People don't pay attention to the trend line. That's why they are losing money all the time. The trend line on the hourly chart is important for day traders. Broken right there, and you take it. You see, boom. Another strategy that people use when they are smart trading in the uptrend, I do not like this one very much because a lot of funny things happen very often, is to wait at the edge of the high of the previous day, which is this horizontal line here, and usually they play the game here. They will place their order 10 pip, 15 pip, 20 pip above the high of the previous day. But there are other traders in the market that usually know that people always doing that, and they will try to sell, do exactly the opposite here. They are allowed to do that, okay, and they would like to push these people downward, creating a huge selling pressure, which will create a double top. Even though they know that the price is in the uptrend, they will try to bully those people who are placing their order above the high of the previous day. Because the price is in the uptrend, it must create a new high. So people place their order above the high of the previous day, willing to be taken into a new high, which exactly happened with this bullish candle here. You see, when it crossed this level, it just ran away fast, finished, and these people will take their profit very fast, okay, and they keep doing it in the uptrend. And the next day you see the price display a new high here. The next day, if you try to do the same thing here, okay, you won't be filled at all because the price fell to display a new high here. There was a one important news here: the retail, okay, a sector in the UK did not perform very well. That's why you see this red one down here. But quickly, you see, when it went down, look at the level where it went to. I will clear my previous Fibonacci for you to show you exactly what has happened the following day. Okay, now I remove my previous. So this is 14. The prior on the 50, the prior retrace. 14 movement is this one. On the 15, the prior retrace back to 60%. People bought it here, went up. Okay, now this is 15. I will draw my now for a section of 15 in order to know exactly what we can do. This is a 15 day. I'm drawing my Fibonacci again for that day. So right there. Okay. So the next day, which is a 16 of August, 16 of September 2010, forgive me, 16 of September 2010, the prior retrace nearly again. This, you see this tail is nearly again the 61.8 Fibonacci reversal. The 61.8 is this white line here. The price came nearly there, but this candle here is a major news regarding the UK retail sector. The new came and pushed it down. Phew, all the way near just there, and because people place their order at the edge of the 61.8 because it's again cheap, because they know that this currency pair is in the uptrend, they are willing to buy. This is the market sentiment, okay? They are willing to buy, they are not interested to sell. This is what I'm saying to you. In the uptrend, people are willing to buy, the professionals are willing to buy. They are not interested to sell unless some crazy bad news come out, okay? And exactly there, they bought it again near the 61.8 and they push it up. But this time, because the UK retail sector did not perform very well, the price failed to display a new high. That's why I'm saying to you, you must pay attention to the market sentiment, okay? Go into the mind of other traders, and you see the professional traders were no more too enthusiastic. You see, this day they were not too enthusiastic to buy like they did, okay, on this particular day here where they create a new high. But because the UK retail sector, which was doing excellently very well, failed to perform excellently, so the sentiment has changed. The sentiment has changed. So that's what I'm saying to you. When the music has changed, the dance must change too. So you must respect that, okay? When you are dancing, whatever you are dancing, okay, reggae, and the music change to rock, do not keep dancing reggae, dance rock or whatever, okay? You are dancing pop music, whatever, you change the dance, and they bought it again here. So that's why you smart trade in the uptrend. You want the price to retrace by near the 61.8. Even the best place to buy is the 78.8% retracement, which is the cheapest place you can buy, or even the 100%. But always wait for your trend line to be broken. Do not trade the Fibonacci like other traders are doing. That's why people are losing money. That's why people say that the Fibonacci does not work. Fibonacci, it doesn't work. It's you, your trade as a trader, that work yourself after you look carefully. That's what I say. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Your eyes are the key. That's why I use my eyes to see, to look. Trend line broken. The way is clear. Watch the volume. The volume coming in after the trend line is broken. Go into the mind of other traders and then take it from there. Sometime the trend line will be broken. The stochastic will be overbought. The crazy stochastic trader, like I like to call them, not to insult them, okay, they will again force the stochastic down before you have a chance to enter. The timing, that's what I'm saying. The timing is the key to all things. So right there, the price fell. The next day again, if we draw our Fibonacci lines again, I will clear this one. Talking about smart trading in the my thing is failing now. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Again, for this day, the movement is only from this low here, okay, to this one here, which is the 16th day, okay. And the next day, the price didn't even come back down as such, okay. It just retraced up to the near the 38, went up a bit and fell. There's something because the market sentiment, that's what I'm talking about, the market sentiment regarding the pound dollar has changed because of the retail sector in the UK has fell, okay. So you learn something about how to trade smart trade in the uptrend. Till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.